Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Daily Tips with Asma. Today we will tell you what is the meaning of Thomas. Thomas is one of the boys' names. Thomas is the Christian name. The origin of the name Thomas is of English origin. 6 is the lucky number for Thomas named boys. According to experts, boys named Thomas are very hard workers. Thomas name meaning twin. Lucky days for people with name Thomas include Thursday and Tuesday. Red and violet colors are suitable for Thomas. Ruby is the lucky stone for Thomas name boys. Lucky metals include iron by number. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.